Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have the 2020 Kia Rio, stock number 6611. This run from the 12th 2016 to the 6th 2023. It has a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory aluminum tyre, left front door mirror, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory aluminum tyre, damn tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory aluminum tyre, right hand door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 17-inch factory aluminum tyre, right front headlight, right front door curb, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,